the church, we are part of this revolution. We will not be left out. And I am so glad that my Bishop Evans, said that Sunday to go church, alafu Tuesday to go. Tuesday to go. So finance policy, the finance bill is what fits into the budget. So it says this is how we are going to raise this amount, this is how we are going to raise it. So we are rejecting the whole finance bill because we have been, the problem is not paying taxes. Even the Bible says give Caesar what belongs to.
What, preach now?
Give Caesar what belongs to.
Preach.
Yes, give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. But we cannot be giving Caesar and Caesar is not accountable.
Yes.
That is our problem. Yes. We want to see. So our issue is we will pay taxes. We are law-abiding citizens as much as we are Christians. The problem is we're giving taxes. What are they doing?
Right.
2 minutes of rain, small rain in town, and it's a whole lake.
Come on.
What is it? What is it? Why is there no development that we're seeing? Why are there so many unemployed people that we're seeing? People have learned jobs, they're becoming innovative, but the government wants to take it all, and there is nothing to give back. You cannot take and take. Even the Bible says, the little you're given, what are you doing with it? If you don't handle it well, it